case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1905 patent dispute case, Bullock Electric MFG Company v. Crocker-Wheeler Company, has made its mark in the law history books. Heard by the United States Circuit Court for the District of New Jersey, the case unfolded as a testament to the value of innovation, even when it's a remodeled version of existing technology. This groundbreaking case catapulted the notion that inventing a new application of existing parts to create something beneficial forms a basis of authentic invention. The saga began when Leonard and Bullock Electric Manufacturing Company leveled charges of patent infringement against Crocker-Wheeler Company. The defendant argued that they held a valid license for Leonard's patents, citing a previously protested contract. Their defense hinged on a plea for revisiting the contract on the basis of new evidence, and the claim that the patents used were not encompassed in the license issued by Leonard. The debate escalated as the defendant alleged further that the patent was, in fact, invalid as per Leonard's specifications. Adding ripples to the unfolding drama, the defendant also claimed that the patent was predated by another patent in the landscape of electric railways. The court, however, was not swayed by the defendant's arguments. Ushering in a verdict in favor of Leonard and Bullock Electric MFG Company, the court ruled that the defendant had infringed the complainant's patent, which was found to retain its validity. Disregarding the defendant's defense, the court noted that the technology used by Crocker-Wheeler Company bore striking similarities to the patents held by Smith, thus undercutting the defendant's claims of non-infringement. The court also took the opportunity to underscore Leonard's diligence in adapting and improving his patent, a move that further reinforced the weight of this case on patent law, driving home the equivalency between the patentability of tangible inventions and that of useful processes. The court lent legitimacy to Leonard's patent claims, affirming its status as a substantial legal precedent.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class